guys, Irma here. Welcome to my channel. Today I have for you a first look of Sezane's spring collection. I can't wait to show you everything that I got. I received my boxes in record time. Within 6 days, I have both of them here in San Francisco. Really excited about the new prints and silhouettes. You might have seen few of the looks on my Facebook group. I already styled them exclusively for there. If you're not part of the group, I'm gonna link to it in the description of this video. Join us. I share content on there daily related to personal style and fashion. It's a great way to ask questions and stay in touch. If you enjoy watching today's video, give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. Consider subscribing. I would love to see you around more. Now let's get into today's video. First piece out of the box is a piece I'm extremely excited about. Is the Dorotha Dress. The print is gorgeous, so many colors. I love a good floral print with many colors in it because then I can take each and every color that exists in the print and apply it to an accessory or like another layer I'm gonna wear on top of the dress, and it's just really playful and a fun piece to have. You get adjustable straps on top, square neckline. The area around the zipper on the back is elastic, which makes the fit up here really flattering, really great. I went with size 34, which is my usual size. I don't recommend sizing up or down. There is a slit at the front, nothing too crazy. It's very tasteful. I know like Reformation dresses, for example, sometimes go so crazy on those front slits. This is nothing like it. The dress is lined with navy fabric. It's 100% viscose. I've only worn it around the house, but I haven't noticed it being too wrinkly. And also when you get a print that's this busy, even if you get some wrinkles, they will kind of be absorbed by it, so it won't show too much. All altogether, I think this is a fantastic piece, definitely keeping it. I hope we see a lot more new cuts by Sezane this spring and summer. Next up, I have the Jade Skirt, another gorgeous pattern, softer, more spring-like colors, really flowy, very light. The skirt is 100% viscose and it's lined with a very light cream lining. I went with size 34, which is my usual size. No surprises there. You don't have to size up or down. I know currently this piece is sold out, but I'm pretty sure they're gonna bring it back when, at least when part 2 of the spring collection comes around. This here is the Anika Jumper, really beautiful color. I would describe it as blue with just hints of teal. And right now when I look at the camera, it looks more blue, but paired with the right colors, they can really pull the teal out of it as well. The details are absolutely breathtaking. It's one of the things Sezane is known for, these fancy knits that are really unique and statement pieces. You have a boat neckline, which is very open. At the back is like a deep scoop, and that is the one thing that is putting me a little bit on the fence for this knit. Sometimes on the back, depending on how I move, you can kind of get a glimpse of my bra strap, and that's something that I'm really mindful about, and I don't necessarily love when a top like shows my bra. So that's where I'm a little bit unsure. You're supposed to be able to wear the deep scoop back at the front as well. That will place the buttons on your back. However, since I don't have big breasts, having such a deep scoop at the front is just really not an option for me. This knit is just as wide as a Jacque jumper, but is a lot shorter than it. It also comes in an ecru color. Composition wise, it's 80% cotton and 20% polyamide. This here is the Irma Shirt, size 34, which is my usual size. The shirt doesn't run large or small, stick to your usual size. I'm in love with all the detail. It's a piece for the romantic in you. It's 100% cotton, very lightweight. I've been seeing Sezane styling it with a pair of light blue shorts. I don't think they've been released yet, and a blue belt. I'm planning to recreate that look later in the season here in San Francisco, or when I visit Europe later this spring. This here is the Dorotha Dress. It's the piece from the lookbook that when I saw, I kind of gasped. What I love about this dress is the material. You have this white cotton that is embroidered, and the embroidery is in the same color as the base, which gives it this very subtle elegance. I think the eyelet detail is also really beautiful, and it makes the piece just look and feel really expensive. Initially I thought, oh, this totally looks like something you'll get from Zimmermann. I think it's like the pleated bottom and just the crazy amount of detail that is so subtle and so elegant that gave me that association. It is lined. I went with size 34. It runs true to size. The buttons are really similar, if not, I think they are the same as the buttons you get on the Jacque jumper. It is a mini dress. I am a person with a long torso, so I'm always really skeptical when I order mini dresses because it worries me they might be like extra mini on me. I'm happy to report that this fits well. However, it is mini. Don't expect anything else. If you're a mom or you have like an active lifestyle where you move a lot and you're worried that you have to think about like bending down and doing what you have to do, this might not be good length for you. But if you're looking for something flirty and feminine, it is perfect. You can style this with boots for now while it's still a little bit chilly, or later on you can wear this with clogs, with espadrilles, with flat sandals, with any type of shoe really. Very versatile piece, a wardrobe staple that is elevated. These are the Jacque Pants, size 34, which is my usual size. Really great material, medium weight. They are a little long. It's a sailor cut. I like sailor pants to cut right around the ankle. This is a little bit longer than that, but I am willing to get them hemmed. They have really nice deep pockets. The color is super versatile for spring and summer. It is perfect. You just throw on like a white top and a simple sandal and you're gonna look chic and you'll be comfortable. You have this elastic waist and the drawstring, but the part that really surprised me is I thought these are pull-up pants, but they're not. They have these hooks here and they have a zipper. This makes putting them on really easy, and it's actually really comfortable, and it also makes the waist fit so much better than it would be if it was just like a pull-up pant. Altogether, I think it's a great addition to anyone's closet. It's a very comfortable, versatile piece. And I really couldn't contain myself. I could not resist this bag. It was an impulse purchase. I was not planning on getting it, but look at how cute. I love the round shape. It actually fits a lot inside. You can bring many things with you, and the colors, the pinks and the blues, love it. I have the blue Gloria sandals, so I think this bag with the blue Gloria sandals will be my go-to accessory combo for the summer season. What do you guys think? Alright guys, this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section below what do you think of Sezane's spring collection. Which pieces were your favorite? If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. Consider subscribing. I'd love to see you around more. Have a wonderful week and see you next time.